Okay, welcome back. In this video, let's hand over the email sending task to the celery worker. Okay, because if you have a lot of email address inside this email list, then Django will take a lot of time to send the email. Okay, so that's why we want all the emails to be sent in the background. Okay, so let's do that in this video. Now, this is very simple because in the data entry app also, you have worked on celery workers, right? So similarly, we'll create one task.py inside emails app. Okay, so I'll create tasks.py. Okay, so it is not very complicated as we did in data entry. It is very simple because in our task we will only send the email. Okay, so we don't want to run any kind of custom commands. Okay, so first thing we will import the app. Okay, so let's say from awd underscore main dot celery import app. Okay, so once we have the app, then what we'll do is we'll actually create a task. First of all, we'll say define send email task. Okay, send email task. So this send email task will actually take a couple of parameters. First thing, let me show you this. If you go to this views.py, this task need a mail subject, message, to email and attachment, right? So we will simply copy these parameters and paste it here. Okay, and for now return it. Okay, for now return it, and we will mark this function as a celery task. How to do that? Just say @app dot task. That's it. Okay, now, okay, so just say return here. We have just created this send email task. We'll call it from the views. Okay, so this time we don't want to call this send email notification function from the views. What we want to call is we want to just say send email task dot delay. Okay, send email task dot delay, and this send email task dot delay will take these parameters. Copy and paste it here. Okay, so now we will delete it. All right, so this one we should import. It comes from, wait, it comes from dot task import send email task. Okay, so just make sure you import it properly. Then, okay, so only this much is enough in our views.py. If you want to write some comment, you can simply say hand over email sending task to celery. Okay, so this is how we call the celery task. Now let's define what this task will do. Okay, so this task will just call the send email notification function. That's all, right? So just remove this return and say send email notification. We'll have to import it. It comes from data entry dot utils. Oh, it is utils import send email notification. Okay, so this will again take these things and just send the email. Okay, you can simply say return. This is just a success message that will show in your celery terminal. Okay, so you'll say email sending task executed successfully. All right, I think yeah, this much is enough. Okay, so if there is anything extra that we need to add in the future, I'll show that to you on the go. But for now, I think this is enough. Okay, so next what you have to do is you just stop this celery. Okay, because we have edited that celery task, right? Stop the celery and run it again. Next, refresh the page and let's see This should not take much time now. Body, and I will attach something. Now when I click on the send button, I should immediately get the email sent message, and in the background Celery will send the email. Okay, I'll click on send now. Okay, so now you can see immediately I got the email sent successfully, and then Celery, you can see it has received the task and then succeeded in 6.489 seconds. So if there are a lot of email address in the email list, then this number will be more. All right. Yeah. So I think that's about how to hand over the email sending task to the Celery. Okay. So if you have any doubts, just feel free to let me know in the Q&A section. And in the next video, we will actually replace this text area. This is actually a normal text area element. We will replace this with the rich text field. Okay, we will actually implement the CK editor in Django. Okay, so that's about this video, and we'll see you in the next one.